Welcome to my class, children. In the last class, we completed 4 sums and 12.2 exercise, and now we'll move on to this fifth one. A rhombus-shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Okay, the area is in rhombus shape. So we know that all the sides are equal in rhombus. So each side measure 30 meter and they have given the diagonal measure of diagonal is 48 meter. Total 18 cows are there. Okay, now you have to find out how the area of grass field will each cow be getting. So one cowಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು area ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Let us see how to find it. (12.2) fifth question. A, B, C, D and AC, BD are the diagonals, and here they have given if each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and the longer diagonal is 48 meter. Yes, right here. Let ABCD be a rhombus. (30 meter, 30, 30 and 30. This is 48. 48 meter. Let ABCD be a rhombus shaped field. So take the triangle, children. BCD. Take the triangle BCD. One second. AB, CD. So BD is 48 meter and 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter. Okay, children. Now take the triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. Now you are going to find the area of each triangle. We have two triangles here. Find the area of BCD and ABD. Okay, here we are going to. So both are same. The areas are same irutte alva. So if you find one area of one triangle, so it will be same as BCD. Okay, so ಎರಡು same irutte. Now in triangle BCD, so first you have to find, we have all the three sides. 45 meter, 30 meter, and 30 meter. Let's find semi-perimeter. How will you find semi-perimeter? That is sum of all the sides by 2. Write all the sides. A is 45 plus 30 plus 30 by 2. That is equal to 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 plus 40, 100, 105 by 2. That is equal to 54. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are, it is for, sorry children, it is 48, not 45. 48. So it is 108. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So this is our yes, means semi-perimeter. Now I'm going to use Heron's formula. A is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That is equal to, what is S here? That is 54. A is 48 and 54 minus B is how much? It is 30. Two sides are, that is 30, right? Now simplify this, children. 54 into, what is 54 minus 48? It is 6 and 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 3, it is 2. Again it is 54 minus 30 is 24. Now we have to group the numbers, right? Two numbers na group baro tara madkobeku. Already we have two 24s here, so you can take out of the square root, right children? So I will, here we have 6. And how can you write this 54? ನಮಗೆ 6 ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 6 ಬರೋ ತರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 54 is divisible by 6. 6 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 54 ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ? 9 6 are 54 into 6, 24 into 24. Now we have 2 6 here, 2 24s, and 9 is also square number. So what is square root of 9 here? It is 3. So take 136 to square root of 36 is 6, and we have 2 24s, take it outside. 3 into 6 into 24. What is this answer? I will write here. The answer is 432 meter square. 432 meter square of each field. Okay, each triangle ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? BCD triangle area ನಮ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 432 ಇದೆ. So we have two triangles here. So total area is equal to 432 into 2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಒಂದರದು 432. See, this is 432 and this is 432. So how much it is? 864 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 2s are 4, 3s are 6, 8 meter square. Okay children, so 864 is the total area of rhombus. Total area ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 864 ಇದೆ. Problem ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ. I'll go for the next page. So total area is 864 meter square. And we have one more question. What is that? So each cow ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು area ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So each cow gets, total how many are there? Total number of cows. Total number of cows is equal to 18. Now, if you divide this by 18, you will get the area of each cow. Okay, so 864 by 18. So 4s are 72, right? So you divide here. 4 is 8s are 1, 44. So what is our answer? 48. So each cow will get, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ನಮಗೆ 864 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೌಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 18 ಇದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 864 by 18, we get each cow will get 48 meters square for grazing. This is your answer. Next one, sixth question. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? See, this is the figure. So there are 10 triangular pieces are there. Okay, 10 triangular pieces is there. So they have given the measurements of each triangular piece. Okay, now you have to find the total area of all the triangles. Okay, children, we'll see now. Nodi 50, 50, 20 there. Okay, see if you, so what is the question? 10 triangles ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 10 triangular pieces ಇದೆ and of 2 different colors ಅಂತಿದೆ. So one color ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ 10. 2 colors ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಲರ್ 5 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ 5 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವೈಟ್ ಪೀಸ್ 5 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, so they have given the area of one triangle, children, sorry, sides, that is 20, 50 and 50 centimeter. So like this, there are 10 triangular pieces. 10 triangular pieces ಇದೆ of 2 colors. 2 colors ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so each color ಎಷ್ಟು pieces ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 5 pieces ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So first find, what do we have to find here? First you have to find the area of the triangular piece. ಅಲ್ವಾ, triangle the area find out ಮಾಡೋಣ. Then before finding A, we need to find semi perimeter. That is 50 plus 50 plus 20 by 2. Got it, children? So it is 120 by 2. That is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 0, 2 into 60, that is 120. So semi perimeter is 60 centimeter. Now write the formula, children. So ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ because already you know the formula, ಹೆರಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. S into ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 into S minus A, 60 minus 50, and S minus B, S minus C. C is 20 here, right? Then write 60. 60 minus 50 is 10. It is also 10. 60 minus 20, it is 40. Now already we have 2 tens here. Okay, and so write it as 20 into 30. I will write 60 as 20 into 30. Okay, children. Next, 10 into 10. How will you write this 40? Sorry, 20 into 3, alva? 20 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 0. 20 into 3. And here also I will write 20 into 2. ಅಥವಾ 20 into 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 600 ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 20 into 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 16 and 40 has written as 20 into 2. Okay, now take square root. So already we had two tens here and 20, 20. Two 20s there, take it outside children. So two tens there, take 110 outside. What do you have in square root? 2 into 3. That is 3 into 2 ಇದೆ. Okay, 20 into 10 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ತರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 10 ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿವಿಸ 20 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 23 ಸಾರ್ 22 ಸಾರ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಗೆ 20 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 20 into 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 into 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 20, 22, 20s ಇದೆ. So take it outside the square root. 10 no take outside the square root. Write 3 into 2 in the square root. Then 20 into 10 is 200 square root of 6. Okay, now what is the question? How much cloth of each color is required ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Each color ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಲರ್, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 200 root 6 centimeter square ಅಷ್ಟು piece of cloth we require. Right now we require 200 square root of 6 centimeter square for one triangle alva. So that we had to calculate for 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಲರ್ 5 pieces ಇದೆ. So we had to calculate for 5. Then area of each cloth required is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? 5 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ 10 ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಕಲರ್ದು ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು 5 into 200 root 6. So what is the answer? 2 5s are 10. That is centimeter square. 1000 square root 6 centimeter square. So this is your answer, children. Next question. A kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and side 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? See, this is a kite, children. It is in the shape of square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The kite in the shape of square and they have given diagonal measures 32 centimeter. Diagonal 32 centimeter ಇದೆ and at the bottom we have isosceles triangle, means two sides are equal. Equal ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Base is 8 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ and sides are 6 centimeter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You have to find the total area of both. Okay, 1 2 3 ಅಂತ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? It is a kite and it is in the shape of square. So square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ all the sides are equal. So this is one part and this is another part. Just ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ or we can use colors. This is first part. This is second part. And this is third part. This is third, and base is 8 centimeter and equal sides are 6 centimeter. It is in the shape of square. This is seventh one. So here diagonal is given, children. Diagonal is equal to 32 centimeter. Diagonal is 32 centimeter, and we have a formula here to find the, if they give diagonal, children, how to find the area of square. Area of a square is equal to ಏನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ half into diagonal square. Diagonal square. So diagonal ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ದು. So diagonal is given here, that is 32 centimeter, children. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏರಿಯಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, half into diagonal square. So it gives the area of square, and half into what is diagonal here, that is 32 square. Okay children, now write 32 into 32. ನಾನು 32 square na ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದೀನಿ. 32 into 32. You can cancel 2 ones, 2 16s are. 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1, 2 6 are. So now what is your answer? 16 twos are 32, 48 and 51. So what is this? 512 area of, that is first part area. Okay, area of first part $512. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾದು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. 512 centimeter square, and we know that the area of first part is equal to area of second. These two are equal alva. Square ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು diagonal na draw ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ both the triangles will be bisects equally alva, equal ಆಗಿ divide ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So area of second part is also 500 sorry 1 second. Here it is square, no? So total, listen children, sorry, ಇಲ್ಲಿ squared ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. So both one area of 1 and 2. Okay, area of 1 and 2 will be 512. So ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 512 centimeter square bandide. Okay, now don't confuse. ನಮ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 512 ಬಂದಿದೆ. both area of first and second part. So area of one part, first part is equal to second part ಅಲ್ವಾ. So each part ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 512 by 2. Total is 512 ಅಲ್ವಾ. Total is 512. If you divide it by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. That is 250 centimeter. Area of first part is equal to area of second part, that is equal to 5256 centimeter square. Next, you have to find the area of third triangle, that is base isosceles triangle ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥಾತ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 512 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 256 centimeter square. Okay, now let us go for the third triangle. Area of third part. Okay, so we know already it is given, it is isosceles triangle. So what are the sides here? 6 6 8. Okay, now find semi perimeter. Sorry, that is 6 plus 8 by 2. 6 6 are 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 by 2, that is equal to 20 by 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20, that is 10 centimeter. So our S is 10 centimeter. Now use the formula. A is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 8 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ 6 6 8 ಇದೆ 6 6 10 minus 8, that is 10 into 10 minus 6 is 4, 10 minus 6 is 4, 10 minus 8 is 2. Now already we have 2 4s here, ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Next ಏನಿದೆ 10 ಇದೆ, then we have 2 here, so write that 2 here, 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 10 ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ 2 numbers ಬರೋ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 ಇದೆ, we can write it as 2 into 5. 10 ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 2 into 5 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, so that we can get 2 2s here, right? So 4 into 4 16, 16 square root is 4, and take 1 2 outside root 5. Answer is square 8 root 5 centimeter square. So this is the area of third triangle, isosceles triangle though. And we have to find the total area, the area of paper required for right area of paper required for third shape is equal to, what is our answer? 8 root 5. So what is the value of root 5? So root 5 value namge gottide, that is 2.224. That is equal to 17.92 centimeter square. And total area is equal to, so first first part 256 plus 256 plus 17.92, that is equal to, so each shape anta kelidare, no need to find total children. Okay, each shape kelidare ನೀವು 256 and 17.92 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Okay, if you want to add and write the answer. Total area no find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, so this is your 7th one. Next one. A floral design on a floor is made of 16 tiles which are triangular, the sides of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 15 paise per centimeter square. So this is your floral design, children. Okay, and it is made, there are 16 tiles. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 are there, and in each 2 triangles are there. So 8 2s are 16. 16 triangles are here. Okay, 16 triangles are there, and I have given the measures of each triangle. Okay, so first find the area of each triangle. So one the tile, the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter. 1 per centimeter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 1 centimeter square ಗೆ 50 paise ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so shall I show you directly, children? See, you know how to find out area, right? So semi perimeter ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, 28 9 35 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 28 plus 9 plus 35 by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ semi perimeter is 36 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay, now area is S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Then S is 36, substitute ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, and 36 minus 35, 36 minus 28 and 36 minus 9 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Then 36 minus 35 is 1. Next 8 into 27. So how can you write this? You can write 927 as 9 3s are 9 3s are ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay, I'll show you how to simplify that. So we have answer 36 into 1 into 8 into 27. So you can write, see, 36 and 27 both are multiples of 9. Alva 9 4s are 9 3s are. So 36 can be written as 9 4s are 36 anta ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Okay. And 8 can be written as, see, ನಮಗೆ 1 4 ಇದೆ, ನಾನು 8 ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, 4 2s are 8 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Next 27 can be written as 9 into 3. Okay, children, just split ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So 2 4s are there, take 1 outside. 2 9s ಇದೆ, take 1 9 outside. Next ಏನಿದೆ, 2 into 3 ಇದೆ. So 9 4s are 36, that is root 6. 36 into root 6 ಇದೆ. And you should know the value of root 6. 6th square root find out ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2 2s are 4. So multiply above, add below. 2 plus 2 is 4. So put decimal point. Here we take 2 zeros ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Next, which number will you write? Shall I write 4 here? 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. If you write here, it becomes more than 200 children. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Add this 4 here. It becomes 48. So like this, if you do that, you will get square root of root 6 is 2.45. That is 88.2 centimeter square. 88.2 centimeter square. ಏನಿದು? Area of each triangle. Okay, triangle ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ತರ shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? So ಅದು triangle shape area ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 88.2 centimeter square ಇದೆ. So total how many tiles are there? Total ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ tiles? 16 tiles ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು tiled area 88.2 ಆದ್ರೆ 16 tiles area ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is 14112 centimeter square. So total area ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 14,411.2 centimeter square ಬಂದಿದೆ. And last ಏನ್ question ಕೇಳಿದರೆ? Cost of polishing 1 centimeter square ಗೆ. So how much it is? How much it costs? 50 paise. How will you write 50 paise? We can write as 0.50 rupee anta bariತೀವಿ. Okay children. So rupees ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? by 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that is 0.50 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So per centimeter square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 centimeter square ಗೆ 50 paise ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is 0.50 rupee ಅಂದ್ರೆ how many are there total? Total 1411.2 centimeter square ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ 144 into 0.50. Okay children, if you multiply that, we will get rupees 705.60. So ನಿಮಗೆ 1411.2 ಅಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾನ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 705.60 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, last question in the chapter. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Okay, see trapezium do yavaglu already nimge last one the previous class alli ಒಂದು sum ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ trapezium do which one it is ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು trapezium ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. What is the area of trapezium? It is half into h into sum of the parallel sides. But ನಿಮ್ಗೆ h ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ h ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? See ABCD, it is the trapezium. Okay, and we have drawn a parallel line, a line parallel to AD. I will show you how to do that. This is trapezium AB CD. ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ so that it is parallel to AD. AD ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? AD ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು line ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, that is BE. And I have given measurements, children, whose parallel sides are, parallel sides ಯಾವುದು 25 meter and 10 meter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, this is 10 meter and this is 25 meter. CD is 25 meter ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ this will be 10. So 25 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 meter ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರದು? So we have drawn a line which is parallel to AD. AD and BE both are parallel lines. Alva? Both are equal. We know parallelogram is opposite sides are equal and parallel. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇದೆ, DE will be 10 meter. Total 25 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 meter ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 15 meter ಇದೆ. And I have given other sides also 14 meter and 13 meter. So if you write 13 here, see opposite side is parallel and equal. So this is also 13 meter. And other side it is 14 meter. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? See ಹೇಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ? Opposite sides are equal. ಇದು 10 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 13 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ 15, 14, 13. So here we got a triangle here. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈ triangle ನಾವು? So what is the formula, children? Half into h into sum of parallel lines. We can write a plus b ಅಂತ, ab plus de. But ನಮ್ಗೆ h ಇಲ್ಲ. a plus b ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 10 plus 25 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ h ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We have 3 sides here. First you find the area of this. Area ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ h ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ h ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೆಪೆಜಿಯಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ us see how to do that. In triangle BCE or BEC, children, see they have given sides. Sides is equal to 13 meter, 14 meter and 15 meter. Now find semi-perimeter. 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. That is equal to 42. Right, children? 42 by 2 baratte. So 2 ones, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. That is equal to 21 meter. So this is our, yes, semi-perimeter bantu. Use Heron's formula. Find the area of the triangle BEC. Then square root of s into s is 21, s minus a, that is 13, s minus b, that is 14, s minus c, that is 15. Right? That is equal to 21 minus, this is 11 minus, that is 8. It is 7. And 21 minus 15, it is 6. Right? 6, 7, 8. So what will you do here? See, 8 and 6 both are multiples of 2. 2 table alli 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ 21 and 7. See, 7 table alli 21 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. First 21 ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಹೇಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? 3 into 7, right? 3 sevens are 21. And I will write this 7 here. ನಾನು 7 ನ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. And now write 8. How will you write 8 here? 4 into 2. Sorry, 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. How will you write the 6 here? 2 3s are 6. So each I am splitting each number and writing. Okay. 3 sevens are 21. 8 can be written as 4 2s are, and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. We have 2 2s, 2 sevens. ನೋಡಿ 3 2 3s ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 3 ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 3s ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 2 3s ಇದೆ 3 3s are 9 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3. ಸೊ ಒಂದು 3 ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 7 7s are 49 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 9 49 7. ಸೊ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ take 1 2 here and again ನೋಡಿ 4 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 4 is square root of 4 is also 2. Yes, we have got all square roots here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. 3 1 3 ಇದೆ 1 3 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 3s ಇದೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 7s ಇದೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 4 is 2. So 2 into 2. So take 1 2 here. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 7, that is 84. 84 meter square. What is 84 meter square? That is your area. Area of triangle. ಈ triangle ನಮಗೆ area ಬಂದಿದೆ. Now you can find H, right? H ನ find out ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Which formula now you are going to apply? First formula, half into base into height. Triangle formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Half into base into height ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು H ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay children, so now we are going to find height. Height is that is H. So what is our area? Area is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? 84 meter square ಬಂದಿದೆ. Now area of BEC, triangle BEC is equal to half into base into height. So here you can substitute the value children. Area place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು area ಹಾಕೋಣ. 84 ಇದೆ. So 1 by 2. Base ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ triangle, the base, that is EC. EC is how much children? It is 15 into H. That is equal to, I am going to shift 15 and 2 to left hand side. So 2 is in denominator, it goes to numerator. 84 into 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆಯಾ? 2 denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. If you transpose to left hand side, it goes to numerator. Then 15 is in numerator. Shift ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ denominator ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is equal to H. Okay, that is equal to 2 4s are 8, 16 by 15. We get decimals here. 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. 3 reminder irutte, so 0.2 barutte. So what is this? This is our height. Okay, ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ height ಸಿಕ್ತು. Area find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next height find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now we have the value of height here. Now we are going to find the area of trapezium. Okay children. So steps ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ವರಿ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ H ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? H is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Now area of trapezium, area of trapezium, this is trapezium shape. Trapezium ABCD is equal to, I will write the formula here, half into H into sum of parallel side AB plus, you should not take DE children, you should take, now trapezium ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರದು, so CD ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Don't confuse AB plus CD. That is equal to, what is H here? 11.2 into AB plus CD. What is AB here? 10 and CD is 25. That is equal to 1 by 2, 11.2 into 10 plus 25, that is 35. You can simplify 2 and 11.2 alva. 2 ones, 2 5s are 10 irutte, 1 reminder irutte. So point hage 2 6 are 12. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆಯಾ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. 2 5s are 10 ಇದೆ, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 1 ಬಂತು, ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, then bring down 2, 2 6 are 12. That is 5.6 is the answer. Now 5.6 into 35. How much is this? 35 into 5.6. 6 5s are 30. 21. 5 5s are 25. 15. 17. So it is 1960. We have point here. After a decimal point, we have only one digit. So right side in the one digit terminal point today. So what is your answer? 196 centimeter square. So this is the area of the field. Okay, children. Yes, children, hope you are all understood all the concepts regarding to the lesson Heron's formula. So here we use Heron's formula and find the area of triangle. So ellargu artha agide anta ankoltini. Keep practicing. We'll start the new chapter in the next class. Thank you.